Hello and welcome to AP Statistics at Golden High School. My name is Mr. Cassidy Dinzes, and I will be your instructor this year. A little bit about myself. I grew up here in Golden. I attended Shelton Elementary, Bell Middle School, and am a Golden High School graduate. I then attended Colorado State University and then Metropolitan State University of Denver. I began teaching in 2012, and I've been teaching at Golden High School since 2014. I enjoy time with my three children, concerts, traveling, soccer, skiing, bad humor, and awkward moments. So what is AP Statistics? Well, statistics is the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of masses of numerical data. So in other words, we will be collecting and analyzing data to determine how relevant it is and what the causes are. So how's our classroom going to work? Well, at the beginning of each period, whether you're at home or you are in class, you will go to your Google Classroom. I will roster all students in there automatically, so you should have that, but I will also post the code in case you switch in later, anything like that. When you go to Google Classroom, you will find an agenda for each day. This agenda will include links to everything the student needs for the class, such as links to video meetings, Zoom, or Google Meets. During these meetings, I will present engaging lessons to all students. You'll also find worksheets, notes, video lessons, solutions to homeworks, and any other important information such as due dates, upcoming schedule, and announcements. Let's take a look at Google Classroom. You can see here I've posted the agenda for 824. This is just an example. I will be changing this agenda later. Wanted to have this set up for this purpose. And if you go in there, okay, you'll find a link to a Zoom meeting here, and you will find links for warm-ups. Some of the warm-ups we'll do in AP Statistics are from the New York Times. They post these things for conversations called What's Going On in This Graph. We take a look at this. Okay, so the students might be given graphs someday where they have to just have discussions around what they're seeing and what's going on in this graph. All right, now this is about voters and ages and topics, which is very relevant this year. Sometimes in AP Statistics, we will have some controversial topics. Know that we'll focus on the statistics and calculations on that, but sometimes conversations can occur that can sometimes be uncomfortable. All right. This is a link to a activity we might do. You could find worksheets in here. The homework for the first day will just be to read through the course expectations, which I would definitely encourage all parents and guardians to do as well. So what about grades? Well, to be successful in this class, you need to engage in lessons and activities, complete assignments and projects, practice, which could be through assignments, reviews, or doing extra work that was not assigned to you if you feel like you need it. Seek help when you need it. Ask questions during class. Message me, email me. Use intervention time. 8th period is built-in intervention time. I will sometimes ask kids to join, but others can join when they feel like they need it. If you have any questions about the class, please feel free to contact me at cassidy.dinzes@jeffco.k12.co.us or leave a voicemail at 9823201. I'd also like you to know that the website, my teacher website, posted through Golden High School's website, is still up and running. It is not often used since I switched to Google Classroom about 3 years ago. But if you go to the math department here, Dinzes' website, all right, I kind of use it as a hub for the links you need. You can see this is actually set up from geometry still last year, but this will direct you to the Google Classroom. Got the course expectations, late forms when homework is turned in late. Bad math jokes are always important. Nice calendar view here. If I go back to last semester when we had assignments, you can see all the assignments that are due. All right, I will have a PDF of the textbook here. I will change this to some useful statistic websites. So it's a nice hub to have. Not often used anymore as everything is posted through Google Classroom. All right, again, my contact information is right here, but it's also on my website. Please feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you for joining me here today. Can't wait to see you.